Chicken meatballs. Gather all ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius with a rack in the top third position. Line a large rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper and lightly grease with 1 tablespoon of the oil. Stir together breadcrumbs and milk in a bowl until fully combined. Let stand at room temperature until milk is fully absorbed into breadcrumbs, about 10 minutes. Add Parmesan, Italian seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, salt, onion powder, granulated garlic, and pepper to the breadcrumb mixture and stir to combine. Mix together chicken, egg, and 2 tablespoons of the oil in a large bowl until combined. Fold breadcrumb mixture into chicken mixture until just combined. Place chicken mixture in refrigerator uncovered and chill until firm, about 10 minutes. Gently shake chicken mixture into 1.5-inch balls and place on the prepared baking sheet, leaving a 1-inch space between each meatball. Brush tops and sides of meatballs with remaining 1 tablespoon oil. Bake in the preheated oven until browned and an instant read thermometer inserted into the center of a meatball registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit 73 degrees Celsius 15 to 20 minutes, flipping after 8 minutes.